Well, what's up everyone, and in today's video we are going to be finally removing the automatic transmission out of my CLK55 AMG. Now if you're new to the channel, this is a CLK55 AMG that I bought sight unseen off of Copart auction a couple months ago with the intent of manual swapping it. So let's just get straight to it. So depending on your car this could vary, but right now I'm trying to undo the torque converter. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, for the automatic stuff. You have to spin the engine around to get to like those 3 or 4 bolts that it has. Oh wow, it has Ibach sway bars. They look really beefy too. Unless it just came standard with those. I don't know. Anyway, alright, we got that in there. So now we just need to pop off the cover over here. Oh, yeah, like I said, it should be pretty easy to pop off. And once we have this open, you would be able to see it's really gunky in here. The torque converter. Yep, there's one right there, 13 mil. So there should be 13 mil bolts. Notice that you guys can't really see for the torque converters. Oh, this car hates me already. It's like, why you do this to me? Why you must swap manual? Why not keep automatic? That doesn't sound German at all. And all over my face. We also gotta undo the things that hold the lines. Bolt. Like so. Alright, hopefully this isn't too difficult. Jesus. That was a terrible idea. Don't use an impact for those. Ay, ay, ay.
Alright, what we doing?
Alright, so if you can control the jack.
Okay.
And then I will try to push this back.
Oh, God.
That rhyme right there.
Push the jack back?
Hang on, I might need to pry a little bit with the flathead. Can you hand me that? We are literally one
away.
One away.
Fuck my car. Right here. Yeah.
Oh, that's a short one. There should be another long one somewhere. Oh, there it is.
Damn.
That's how you do it in the BMW. You have to get it from at the back.
Fucking 3 feet long. Oh, yeah.
Do you see it sticking out from the end?
I got it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, so. What?
Some thing came down.
Oh.
Scared me.
Drop the jack down a little bit. Oh shit.
You trying to push it?
It's like stuck. Yeah, I'm trying to push it back.
Maybe if we twist it, like try to twist it.
Something's not right. What's up everyone? This is me coming from the future, coming from the past. So I'm not really sure why the camera decided it didn't like the SD card that was in it. So we switched to GoPro, and once we switched to the the GoPro decided to die while we were trying to pry out the transmission. I obviously didn't notice because we were too busy trying to get the dang thing out. So unfortunately there was no footage of us getting transmission out and all that good stuff, which sucks because I thought, you know, that's like a cool sort of piece to the puzzle, like, oh, you got the transmission and all that stuff. So I'm sorry. Pretty much what was left is just undoing the transmission bell housing bolts, and once that was out we were able to pry it out. It took a bit of finagling. One of the dowel pins was really rusted through. Not really rusted through, it was just rusted, so it like seized onto the transmission bell housing. Cars from up north. But only one of them was like that, so it was really confusing. We thought we had maybe like had a stuck bolt, or maybe I forgot a bolt or something, but that wasn't the case. It was just a rusted, seized dowel pin. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand that down and, like, you know, lubricate it before I start the main transmission. But now the transmission is out. So I don't know about y'all, but I don't know if this is from factory or not. Like the marks where it was torqued. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I don't remember seeing that on the E55. So go ahead and pop these out. Whoa. Whoa there. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, hello. Sorry. It's just, there's a lot of spider webs now under here, and I'm just worried about all these goddamn things. They keep rebuilding so fast. I can't get it done fast enough. Kind of scary. Anyway, let's remove this flex plate. I wonder if this is for like the manual CLKs, because there's a piece of cover here that covers up the right hand side, and when you pop it off it gives a perfect opening. Interesting. Hopefully I'm not breaking this. This is the approved Mercedes method. Oh, there's another screw over here. There you go. It's still on over here. Okay, that's off. Then we just gotta get this one out. There's actually videos on how to do this, from Mercedes themselves. I found it one time looking through YouTube. It was like a couple hours long, but it basically shows you how to assemble like certain parts of the interior components. Then you get that out. Should be smooth sailing from there. Yep. Okay. That's out. That's out. Ta-da! Oh. Stupid. The GoPro it was overheating apparently. I guess it's just that hot outside. But basically I have to remove that. And there's a little pin on the side over here on the pedal. I don't know if you can really see. But there's 2 bolts or 3 bolts, I believe. No, 2 bolts that hold this this thing up here. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and unbolt the brake pedal. And you see that grommet over there? Last time on the E55 there was the same thing, and it perfectly lined up to where the clutch pedal line needs to go. So on here, I guess we'll just undo this and see where we get. So once that pin is pulled out. This should come right out. Yep. Alright, now we are free to remove the brake pedal. Well, at least all the 13 bolts. Okay. Ta-da! Time to pop the cherry on this one. Check this out. 3, 2, oh. 3, 2, there we go. Beautiful. Well, actually, let's fold this carpet out of the way first. Let's put all this stuff up here. This is actually going to be even easier to pull the carpet. Look, on the E55, this is all one piece. On the CLK, it just opens right up. That's crazy. So we just need to get that side carpet out somehow so that I can drill a new hole for it for the clutch pedal line. So now that we've got that bottom carpet removed, let's go ahead and install the clutch pedal line. Alright, using a razor blade, I cut out the, whatever this is, sound ending, whatever, and now we're gonna figure out where, I'm gonna try and screw the line in that came from the Crossfire and see how it matches up, bend it to fit, and drill a hole, and make it work. So let's see how she goes. Put this away. Alright, so this is pretty much the final resting position. You can kind of see where the clutch line is, I hope. It leads from that little hole over there, up to the slave, right there. Master. And I tried to bend it out the way as possible so where I can put the carpet on top of it still. Because I kind of want to keep the carpet in the front part of the car at least. So now all I have to do is like push this carpet back in, try to blend this up under here, and we can move on to removing the shifter stuff. Oh. All right. It's almost as if it's factory. Okay, maybe not that, but let's not go that far, but it's at least, you know, in there. All right, shifter stuff now. Jesus, that took forever. I want to vacuum this too before I put the carpet back on, I guess. Look, quarter. That's not a quarter, but this is a quarter. I wonder how long it's been sitting there. Piece of gum. That's disgusting. It's very disgusting. Ain't this pretty different? It's almost like it's like a front carpet piece, but it's not. It's part of the carpet that just separates from the whole carpet assembly. Pretty nifty, I guess. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 3 pedals. Alright, should be good to go. So something I noticed different on the CLK that has like maybe a little nipple that I could use. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should just cut that open? And just, instead of buying a separate reservoir, hook this up onto here. It's crazy. It's so close to even wanting to go into. That is crazy. I swear. It's almost like they wanted you to manual swap these things. They put in the little hints here and there. People had to discover by trial and error. Alright, time to remove the center console. I honestly just guessed that. Only because on the W210 it's pretty much the same procedure. You just, it's like press fit on there. Oh, perfect. Son of a bitch. Here we're just trying to remove the 3 Allen head screws that hold the automatic shifter down. Oh yeah, totally different from how the W210 looks. This is like a totally different shifter almost, I would say. Pretty big opening, and I'd be very surprised if I have to do some modifications to the shifter. If not, if it's a little too far forward, a little too far backwards, or too far back, it doesn't matter to me. I'm okay with cutting it up. But at least we're making progress, you know, slowly but surely. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. We at least got the pedals installed, as well as the master cylinder for it and the clutch line. And then we also were able to remove the automatic shifter and remove some of the sound deadening that covers the transmission tunnel up. That was a pain, because I mean, not a pain, but it's just like, it always keeps coming to your eyes. And we're moving forward. So tomorrow, hopefully, we'll be able to work on the flywheel, prepping that up, install the pilot bearing on it, a new pilot bearing, install it into the car, and then install the new clutch kit, as well as the new pressure plate and all that good stuff. And generally prepping the transmission to be installed into the car. But that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff if you like this kind of content. And see you guys next time. Peace. Stay safe. Exciting. Pretty exciting.